Protecting your customers. Protecting your company. Protecting yourself. Keep everyone safe with the GOTT Systems Grind Log. On June 20th, 2016, a new federal law for ground beef record keeping takes effect. Following your company's procedures and creating a log entry every time you trim, grind, or clean and sanitize your equipment will help to protect you and your company during city, state, or federal inspections and investigations. Because foodborne illnesses put lives at stake, the new regulations require significant tracking of information about the source of product used for ground beef. While this information is critical, it can be time-consuming to track manually and often incomplete, inaccurate, or illegible. But with the automatic grind log from GOTT Systems, creating the proper tracking records and complying with the new regulations is accurate, quick, and easy. Here's how it works. There are different scanner models being used for this program, but the software works the same on all of them. To begin, turn on the scanner, press Grind Log, and enter your initials. Then click the Next button. That will take you to the Grind Log menu. You'll want to click the Trim button. In the trim process, you'll pull all full or partial cases of primal, subprimal, or boxed beef to be cut and trimmed. Scan the barcode on the outside of the case. Scan only once, whether you pull the whole case or just part of it. The barcode will likely look something like this. If the barcode is damaged and won't scan, you can type in the entire GTIN from the label. When you scan the barcode or enter the GTIN, the scanner will show all of the information from the case of beef. If the establishment number or pack date isn't loaded from the scan automatically, you'll need to enter that number manually. Here is a sample barcode with the pack date and establishment number clearly shown. The label format varies by packer. On the first case of the trim, the scanner will request the lug number where you will put the trim from this case of beef. If you will be putting trim into multiple lugs, you'll need to make a separate entry for each lug. The system carries the lug number forward, and you can always change it. Press the Save button to record your entries. At any time, you can press the Show All button to see a list of everything you've scanned. In the Show All mode, you can tap on a line item to edit or delete that item entry, or press back to return to the scan screen. After scanning all cases to be trimmed, press Quit to return to the main menu. Now, we'll talk about the grind process. From the Select Mode screen, press the Grind button. If there are records in the scanner that have not yet been transmitted to the server, you'll need to press the New button to start the process. Or, if you have already started a file of the correct type, you can edit the previous file and add on to it. If in doubt, start a new file. Enter your initials and press the Next button to continue. Now, you're ready to scan the barcode on each of the cases of product going into the grind. If you won't be using the entire case, estimate the amount of product you'll be using from the case and enter that amount in the grinding blank pound box. Press Save to complete the entry. Then, continue scanning until all cases to be used in this grind are recorded. Next, press the button for Select Lugs. To add trim from a lug to your grind, press the Add button and enter the lug number to be used. If you are adding any product pulled from the self-service or full-service cases, press the Case button. If you won't be using any trim in your grind, press the No Lugs button. Please keep in mind, you must either add trim from lugs to your grind or press No Lugs. When you're done, press the Menu button. Next, press the Select Items button to identify the product or products you'll be creating. This menu is customized for the products your store grinds. Click on the desired items and then press More to select any other products you'll create in this grind. When you've selected all the products, press the Back button, then press Menu. You have now identified what product is going into the grind, what trim or pulls are being incorporated into the grind, and what product you are going to grind. If you'd like to see an overview of this information, click the Show All button, or you can just quit out of the program. Sometimes you'll need to pull items from the full service or self-service case to be added to the final ground product. When you do, just click on the Case button on the Select Mode screen of the scanner. Then, scan the scale label to capture the product information. If this package has a GOT coupon on it, you must scan the little square barcode instead of the regular POS barcode. This will capture a lot of additional information about the beef, including the pack date and time. The system will automatically put all product from the service counters into Lug 99. Enter the pack date or pull date and press Save. Whether your store uses pack date or pull date on the scale labels will determine which date you enter. Please keep in mind, the pack date pull date is critical. This date is the only way to identify the original case this package was cut from. The custom option is used when a customer presents a package of meat from the self-service case and asks that it be ground for them, or chooses one from the full-service case. In this circumstance, choose the Custom button from the Select mode, and then scan the scale label from the package. The system then logs what product went into the grinder. The final option is used when you sanitize the grinder. Press the Clean button from the Select Mode screen. The scanner will capture the user's initials as well as the date and the time the Clean button was pressed. All you have to do is select the grinder you are cleaning. You may select more than one grinder for cleaning. By pressing the Clean button, you are certifying the grinder has been cleaned and sanitized according to your company's procedures. When you are done, press the Menu button and then the Back button. The last step is to transmit the information to GOT. Here's how to send your information to GOT with this scanner. If you have a different scanner model, look for instructions inside the box your equipment came in. Just put the scanner in the cradle like this. Press the Communicate button on the scanner. Once the scanner has made a connection to the GOT server, press the Send Data button. After the files are successfully transmitted, you'll receive a confirmation number, and the files will be automatically deleted from the scanner. GOT recommends keeping a log of your confirmation numbers with the date and time sent. Now that you know how to use GOT's grind log, you will need to familiarize yourself with the reporting. Make sure to read the reporting materials that have been sent to you via email, along with a set of instructions that repeat the material provided in this video. On the main menu of the GOT scanner, press the blue question mark button to see GOT's help desk number. You'll see this green displayed. Please remember, if you have any questions about our grind log program, please call 913-402-1069.